Hello, my name is Ellie and I'm a second-year master's student at Keio University in the Graduate School of Science and Technology, and I'm part of an environmental chemistry lab that belongs to Professor Okuda. My research theme is focused on MCS, or multiple chemical sensitivity, which is a health condition caused by exposure to harmful airborne chemicals. And a lot of these chemicals are found in everyday use products such as cleaning supplies, fragrances, and perfumes, and laundry products as well. So this has kind of been a growing issue for a lot of people, and in the past few decades the prevalence of MCS has been growing and increasing quite a bit, which could be due to a few different reasons, but one could be that there is just more exposure to these kind of fragranced products on a daily basis, or another reason could be due to improvements in airtight kind of building infrastructure, leading to more exposures to these chemicals. Previous research has shown that MCS patients can be triggered by very low concentrations of chemical irritants, sometimes even at levels as low as 10 parts per billion. So therefore, my research will focus on identifying the concentration of chemical irritants in laundry products such as detergents and softeners, both in the air and within the product itself. And this research is important because due to a lot of laundry regulations, MCS chemical irritants aren't always published on their ingredients list, so having that kind of information for an MCS patient would be very valuable. So today I'll also show you my experimental methods for my research project.
The main technique used in my study is the gas chromatograph mass spectrometer, or GCMS. The GCMS consists of two different instruments which combined create a very powerful instrument to both qualitatively and quantitatively analyze different chemicals. In order to analyze different samples at the same time, it's important to always analyze first a base solution which includes only the solvents in order to get a kind of baseline of the analysis. So that's this sample here. And then the remaining samples that I have will include the laundry detergents and aerosols that were collected during the sample collection period, and these will be able to be compared with the base solvent in order to see the changes and differences when the laundry detergents are added.
I chose to join Professor Okuda's laboratory because I wanted to study environmental issues from a scientific perspective with other students who had like-minded thoughts and views on the issues. Additionally, I felt that after speaking with Professor Okuda that this laboratory was very welcoming to students from abroad, and also welcomed kind of cultivating a diverse and open-minded perspective on different issues. I really enjoyed my time in this laboratory because all the other students are really friendly and have been so welcoming to me. And additionally, everyone here works so hard, which really allows for a positive space to learn and gain experience as well. I've gained a lot of experience here and learned how to work independently, which I really value, and I'm very much looking forward to my next and last year at this laboratory. So I came to Japan because I'm half Japanese and I grew up mostly in the US, but I really wanted an opportunity to come back to Japan and live here. And I'm really glad that I did, and I was able to join this laboratory and also get to spend more time in Japan. Some things I really like about Japan are the food, obviously, and I love traveling and seeing different parts of Japan as well. So I really enjoyed my time here. After graduating, I really hope to apply my knowledge of environmental sciences and environmental chemistry, which I've gained from this laboratory, and apply it to make a positive change in the world and on the environment. So I'm really interested and passionate about local government work and environmental policies, so I hope to work in that field after graduating and implement what I've learned here into that new field.